Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel. Today I bring you a leg and booty day workout. Gotta get those booty gains. So in this leg day, I do a lot more single leg motions, trying to make sure I build my muscles evenly by forcing each leg to do their own work. So if you're interested in seeing what leg day can look like for me, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so to get my leg day started, I'll usually do some type of glute activation activities. Sometimes I'll do 5 to 10 minutes on the stair stepper, and then I'll do these banded exercises. So here I'm doing a side step, and there's tons of variations you can add, even a little kick if you wanted. So I usually do about 20 side steps, and then I'll do approximately 20 regular banded squats. We're just waking up the glutes and your quads, prepping your legs for some leg day work. Then after we do the squats, I'll do about 10 kickbacks with each leg. Okay, to start our leg day, I'm doing a Bulgarian split squat into single RDL. I saw this from our girl Whitney Simmons and I had to try it, and let me tell you, these are killer. Bulgarian split squat is not my favorite leg day exercise, but I've been trying to do them more just so I can incorporate more single leg motion, and then supersetting it with this RDL, so challenging. Form is super important on this exercise. You really want to make sure that your knee does not go over your foot. Always think about keeping your shoulders back when you're doing RDL, and focus on your balance. So our second exercise is a superset. We're doing step-ups followed by banded jumping squats. So with the step-ups, you really want to focus on stepping up with your leg that's on the bench, not pushing up from your leg on the ground. I supersetted the step-ups with some banded jumping squats just to keep your heart rate going and to really tire out your quads. Jumping squats are a serious quad killer. So our third exercise are the weighted single leg walking lunges. So what we're doing is we're focusing more on one leg at a time. So on our way down, we're going to do 10 single leg lunge. So instead of alternating your legs, you're going to just focus on one, and then when you get down, you're going to turn around and do 10 more on your other leg. And to end our leg day, we're gonna do some hip thrusts, because a leg day is not complete without some hip thrusts, especially if you want a big booty. So I added a hip circle, and let me say it was so much more challenging with the hip circle. I actually had to go down in weight, but that's okay. I worked my booty and I did it anyways. So this completes my leg day. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you want more workouts with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!